Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mike Salvi. This is Dan Garner. We're here with Sons of Liberty Riders. We are the Sons of Liberty Riders, aren't we?
We are the Sons of Liberty Riders.
Yes. So what are we doing here today?
Rolling Thunder. 27th annual.
We get a pan shot.
We're just starting, and it's taken an hour to get to this point. Probably 2 parking lots, 500,000 bikes. Probably another 200,000-300,000 that didn't really participate. Some of the different groups just go straight downtown. Some of them support. There'll be parties and things going on for some of the veterans groups and all that. So it's a pretty good time. It's a nice long weekend, good way to celebrate Memorial Day.
Can we get some words from Jason? He's still in makeup, but we're going to talk to him anyway.
Why we're here is that the government forced people to go overseas and to die for their country, and they left them there. So we're just protesting until they, at the very least, take them all home.
What's your name?
Shovel.
Why are you here?
Oh, good time. See my family. That's the biggest thing right there, but to honor the veterans and the POWs.
Probably 15.
And the MIAs. And thank you for your service. That's all I got.
That's all we need, Shovel.
As the light rolls in and the smoke covers all in this imagery of sin, put your eyes to see and your heart will grieve for a fight you cannot win. On the front lines, brother, I see your pain. Though my anger man won't read your name, just a pawn in someone else's game. A soldier's taking aim on the front lines. Take a good look around at the empty halls of your schools laid bare.
If you could, can I hold both of yours?
Yeah, you can.
We have a microphone. This works. This is picking up everything we're saying.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Nice.